Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vine tomatoes. First, choose ripe vine tomatoes that are firm and have a vibrant color. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to ensure they are clean. Then, gently pat them dry with a clean towel. Before you start cooking, remember to remove the green stem and the small core from each tomato. This simple preparation ensures your tomatoes are ready for delicious culinary adventures. Roasting vine tomatoes brings out their natural sweetness and deepens their flavor. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, toss the prepared tomatoes with about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast them for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. They'll be bursting with flavor. If you're looking for a quicker method, sautéing is a fantastic option. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add your halved or quartered vine tomatoes to the pan, ensuring they are in a single layer. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender. Finish by seasoning with fresh herbs like basil or oregano for a wonderful aromatic touch. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Now that your vine tomatoes are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Roasted tomatoes make an excellent side dish, especially with grilled chicken or fish. Sautéed tomatoes are wonderful in pasta sauces, on bruschetta, or even folded into scrambled eggs. You can also blend them into a delicious soup or a savory dip. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.